teeth. The enamel is on the top part on top of a crown, and that is the hardest substance in a human. It is there against the wear, so that people are chewing the whole life along, but it is not wearing so easily away. And against chemicals, that not some chemicals can so easily attack the tooth and rot it away. After the enamel, on the top on the crown, comes then the dentine, which is also still hard, but not that hard. And then there are also the roots going down deep into the jaw to make the tooth very firm. And it is in between the gum, the part on top which is protruding is the crown with the enamel on top. Inside of it is then the pulp with the root canal where blood vessels and nerves in, so a tooth can hurt and has blood supply. So that is the basic of a human tooth. And then there are also animals with teeth. There's, for example, the animal type dog. Dogs are carnivore. They are eating mostly other animals. So they have a little bit different teeth as humans. Humans are omnivore. Historically, humans have eaten animals and plants, so a mixture of being able to eat both. Now the dog are carnivore, mostly eating other animals. They have an canine tooth, 4. And they can grab with them very strongly into another animal that the other animal cannot run away. Humans have also canine tooth, but not so strong. And a dog has them also incisors at the top to cut them also. Humans have also incisors to cut. And a dog has then a jaw which is more slicing like scissors. Carnassial tooth have a way further back at the mouth. Humans have molars to chew. And other animals, plant-eating animals, they are also more chewing, even also from side to side, for example, cows. And then there are plant-eating animals, for example, the koipu, and they have something interesting. They have growing teeth, and their front teeth, they have only at the front the enamel, the very hard part, and on the back side it's not so hard. So it's wearing away on the back side stronger. It is eroding away on the back side, and that way it becomes very sharp all the time. And with that part, they can then cut a plant and then chew it with their back teeth, with the molars. And the distance is called diastema, the distance between the front teeth and the back teeth, by the koipu, for example. Then there are animals who don't have specialized teeth. The crocodiles, for example, all teeth are the same. They can't really chew, they are just ripping it into chunks and swallowing it. And there are animals without teeth, for example, the dragonfly larva, it is protruding its mouth in front and taking then the food with its hardened mouth parts. Or the grasshopper, they seem to have an extra chamber in their stomach to grind their food. The basic structure of human teeth is that they have, when they are young, milk teeth. They are then falling out during childhood, and they get another set of teeth, the permanent teeth, which are staying then as long as possible as the human is living, or as long as the teeth are holding by the humans. Milk teeth are 20, 8 incisors to cut also, 4 canine, a little bit to grab, omnivore, and then 8 molars. Then later on the permanent teeth, they are as well 8 incisors, then 4 canine, so 2 up and 2 down. 2 on the jaw, 2 from the top, and then 8 premolars, so a mixture out of canine and molar. Then 8 molars, these big one to chew on, and 4 wisdom molars. Not all humans have genetically all 4 wisdom molars. And that is according to the Science Encyclopedia by Susan McKeever on the page 344. The positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own or with the ones of the entity spoken of.